Good morning, students. I am Usha Sharma, TGT Science from JNV Dosa. In class 6 and 7, you must have learnt about light. And you all know that light is the form of energy which enables us to see the objects. And you also learned that light always travels in a straight line. Now in class 8, we will study light in detail, and let's start our presentation. There are one question for you. Can you see object in a dark? Can you see object in a dark, beta? Yes, absolutely right. No. Now we can do one activity. Just close your eyes. Good. Now you are able to see me? No. Very good. No. So light helps us to see the objects. You answered me no. If no, then we can say we need source of light to make the objects visible. And that source of light, we say that source of light is in the form of energy. Now we can say that it is light which makes things visible to us. So what we learned in the previous class, that light is the form of energy which enables us to see the objects. So in class 8, we will study about the light, reflection, laws of reflection, types of reflection, multiple images, eye structure, and the braille system for the visually challenged person. So at the end of the chapter, you all will be able to verify the laws of reflection. Then to compare regular and diffused reflection. Third one will be to describe the formation of multiple images. And importantly, you all can describe structure of human eye, which is very important for us, which is the camera to the bird, and you all will be able to explain the term dispersion and the braille system. So let's start our presentation. As we already studied, what makes things visible? Eye alone cannot see any object. We studied that we need a source of light. I can see when light comes from an object and enters in our eye. कि बेटा जब कोई भी चीज है, लाइट जब हमारी आंखों में पड़ती है तभी हम उसे देख पाते हैं. Light may have been emitted by the object or may have been reflected by it. कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है उससे लाइट निकल भी रही हो सकती है और उससे रिफ्लेक्ट होकर भी जा सकती है, जिससे हमें चीजें दिखाई देती हैं. You can understand with the help of diagrams. These are the diagrams. Here the source, कि बल्ब उससे हो रहा है तो हम देख पा रहे हैं, बैटरी कनेक्टेड है, कोई चीज के ऊपर गिरी है, तो you can easily understand with these diagrams. Now I said about the reflection. What is reflection? Reflection is the bouncing back of light after striking a plain and smooth surface that you studied in class 6. कि किसी प्लेन सरफेस से कोई चीज जब टकराती है और टकरा के उसी दिशा में जब लौट जाती है, that is reflection. So here we will study certain terms related with the reflection. So first thing which would be that would be the incident ray. Incident ray क्या होगा? The light ray which strikes any surface. कि ये suppose ये surface है और जो light इस surface से आके टकरा रही है वो होगी हमारी incident ray. Then the second thing होगी बेटा reflected ray. Reflected ray का मतलब क्या है? इससे टकराकर जो वापस चली गई, that would be the reflected ray. The ray that comes back from the surface after striking to the surface. And then very important thing, it would be the normal. Normal is actually, because we studied there is one ray, second ray, so normal is the perpendicular drawn, or you can say the perpendicular separating incident ray and the reflected ray. That will be the normal. Then again very important thing, that is the angle of incidence. In this figure, perpendicular is the norm. So you can see here you can easily see that angle I have mentioned here. आप देख रहे होंगे बेटा कि इंसिडेंट रे और नॉर्मल रे के बीच में एंगल बन रहा है, दैट इज एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस, जिसको हम नॉर्मली एंगल आई से रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं. देन यहाँ पर है आपका रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और नॉर्मल लाइन के साथ एक एंगल बन रहा है व्हिच इज नोन एज एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. द एंगल between the normal and the reflected ray is known as angle of reflection, जिसको हम R से denote करते हैं. Let's explain it with the help of whiteboard. Now we can understand the terms and the laws of reflection by drawing the figure on this interactive board. So we will start with the marker. We selected this is the marker, or I will drawing the line at the edges to show that it is a simple mirror strips. So beta, the line coming to the mirror, this line which comes to the point O, A line, this is the A line, it comes to the mirror strips, that is this line is known as incident. But we studied that is incident ray. And when it strikes the plane surface, it bounced back, it reflected back, and this ray is known as, yes, absolutely correct. This ray is known as reflected ray. This is reflected. Now we will show it by B. And this perpendicular, that is normal, this is known as normal, and now you can easily see that it forms an angle which I show with I. It means the angle formed between incident ray and the normal is known as angle of incidence. This is angle of incidence. And again here is one angle is formed which is written as R, and this is known as angle of reflection. Angle of reflection. This is angle of reflection which is shown with R. So these are the terms जो कि हमने शो की. एंगल जो कि इंसिडेंट रे और नॉर्मल के साथ बना, एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस. एंगल जो कि रिफ्लेक्टेड रे और नॉर्मल के साथ बना, एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. So now we will study the laws of reflection. तो laws of reflection जब हम study करेंगे, here we can say that angle I always comes equals to angle R. If angle I is 30 degree, it would come 30 degree. If it is 40 degree, then it should be 40 degree. So this is the first law कि angle of incidence and angle of reflection always comes equal, एक दूसरे के हमेशा बराबर है. And now ये जो whole page है जो कि हमने लिया है, this whole page is a plane. And now we will understand that कि तीनों incident ray, normal and the reflected ray all lies in a same plane. इसी plane पर ये है, इसलिए मैं इस फिगर को अलग से ड्रॉ करके आपको शो कर रही हूँ कि एंगल इंसिडेंट रे, normal and the reflected ray always lie on a same plane, हमेशा एक ही प्लेन पर आते हैं. तो ये आपको इस डायग्राम से क्लियर हो गया. Coming to our presentation, laws of reflection, जो कि अभी हमने IWE पे भी स्टडी किया बेटा, और इसमें हमारा क्लियर हो रहा है कि लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन जो फर्स्ट लॉ है वो क्या कहता है कि एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस ऑलवेज इक्वल टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. जो मैंने आपको एग्जांपल दिए कि अगर एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंट 30 डिग्री आता है तो एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन शुड बी 30. एंड द सेकंड लॉ इज इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल एंड द reflected ray always lies on the same plane, जो कि आपको एक डायग्राम बनाकर प्लेन पे ड्रॉ करके दिखाया. So these will be the two laws for the reflection. Clear बेटा सबको? Very good. Now we will study about the lateral inverse. Lateral inverse आपने बहुत कॉमन देखा है. आप सब स्कूल आते हैं? Very good. सभी आते हैं, आ ही रहे हैं. तो जब हम स्कूल आ रहे हैं, you all do combing your hair. So have you noticed anything during seeing yourself in the mirror? Yes, of course you have seen. Very good. और जो बिल्कुल करेक्टली से कि समटाइम्स हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जो लेफ्ट है वो राइट दिखाई दे रहा है, राइट जो है वो लेफ्ट दिखाई दे रहा है. तो इन एन इमेज जो फॉर्म हो रही है मिरर में, एक इन द मिरर द इमेज फॉर्म्ड द लेफ्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपीयर्स राइट and the right of the object appears left. Like ये हाथ उठाया तो इधर से ऐसे दिखेगा, and this is known as lateral inversion. आप वर्ड्स में भी देख सकते हो बेटा, शीशे के आगे रखेंगे हम, कांच के आगे आपको उल्टे दिखाई देते हैं फिगर्स. तो इसीलिए हमने 7th क्लास में भी पढ़ा था that ambulance is written on the उल्टा लिखा होता है. वेरी गुड. ताकि सामने वाला ड्राइवर जो है वो आपको जब देखे तो भी इजीली आपके लिए रास्ता छोड़ दे. So that phenomenon where the left seems right and the right seems left, that is known as lateral inverse. So let's have a recap for this session. We already studied that light is the form of energy which enables us to see the objects. Second thing we studied that reflection is the phenomenon of bouncing back of light after striking a plain and smooth mirror. And third, जो लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन हमने स्टडी किए थे, दैट एंगल ऑफ इंसिडेंस ऑलवेज कम्स इक्वल्स टू एंगल ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन, एंड इंसिडेंट रे, नॉर्मल एंड द रिफ्लेक्टेड रे always comes on the same. So I hope you enjoyed this session. In the next session we will take the further part of light. Thank you.